Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to create a line graph in Google Sheets. So to start with, open up your Google Sheet page that you want to make a line graph out of. Then you are going to highlight the cells with the information in. From there, you're going to click on Insert, scroll down and click on Chart. This right hand pane will open up, and this is where you can edit the type of chart that you want. So click on setup, and then I'm going to click on the top one that says chart type, and then you can scroll down to where you should see line graph. So I'm going to click on that, and I have created my line graph. From there, you can edit it in the page by dragging and dropping it, dragging it about, putting it where you want on the page. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.